Hello everyone, this is your Chapter 7 test. Make sure you put your name on your paper and make sure you also label any answers that need to be labeled. Take your time. If you need help, come see me or Mr. Shiplett and we'll try to guide you in the right direction. Alright, show your work, take your time, write your answers on the blanks. Good luck. Number 1 and number 2, you need to simplify the ratio, okay? And also you need to make sure you pay particular attention to the units of measure, like inches, especially in this one. You got feet and yards. Excuse me. You need to make sure you convert these guys into the same, okay? I would maybe change yards into feet if that were me, but that's just me. I would maybe try to say, you know, how many, you got 8 feet, over how many, 4 yards would be how many feet, okay? Then simplify the fraction. Just put it in your calculator as a fraction and hit equals. On number 3 and 4, you got to solve the proportion, okay? So remember, we want to cross multiply here, all right? Make sure you're very careful with your multiplication. Don't make any silly mistakes in numbers 3 and 4. Number 5, you got to look at this picture over here on the right. You got 2 triangles. You need to list all the angles that are congruent, all the angles that are equal in number 5. In number 6, you need to find the scale factor for each triangle. Okay, find the scale factor, so reduce those fractions. And then in number 7, you need to find the value of x. So set up your proportion. Remember, if you're going to go little over big, make sure you keep it little over big. Okay, number 8 and 9. You got to determine whether the polygons are similar, and if they are, you got to write a similarity statement. Okay, so pay attention, look at your corresponding sides, figure out the ratios, and 8 and 9 tell us whether or not they are similar. Number 10 and 11, you need to find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x in each one. Make sure you pay attention to his corresponding parts. All right. Set up a proportion. Remember, if you go little over big, just like before, then keep it little over big in each one. Be L over B and L over B. Okay? That's number 10 and 11. On number 12 and 13, you need to determine if they're similar. Now, hey, we're talking about angles here. All right? There's one angle, you know it's going to be equal to each other. You need to have at least 2 sets of angles that are equal. So what you need to do basically is I want you to figure out what's this third angle in each triangle, okay? And then if you have at least 2 sets, you know they're going to be similar. Same way in number 13, the only difference is you've got 2 triangles there, but I would kind of redraw them, okay, as 2 separate triangles. Okay, use your noodle there a little bit, okay, and think about some things we talked about in class on Tuesday in the review. On 14, 15, 16, and 17, you're still trying to figure out if the 2 triangles are similar, not congruent, sorry. If they're similar, you know, just really pay attention to the sides is what you need to do. Okay, so make sure you're looking carefully at everything. If you need to, for example, like on 15, this triangle, I would maybe redraw him and rotate him around to help you with finding corresponding sides. Same way with 16, 17. Take your time on those. Make sure you're doing a good job. Okay, 18 through 21, we got to find the value of x. There's x. There he is. There he is. Each one's a little bit different than the other one. Okay, pay attention to the fact that you got parallel lines here and here and here and here, and then 20 and 21 are slightly different. Make sure you look at the tick marks. Okay. Wish you good luck. Be careful setting up your proportions. You should have plenty of time to finish this test, so double check all of your work and your answers. All right, and I'm sure you will do just fine. I do wish you a great rest of the day. Adios.